change name in Instagram, how to change Instagram name. If you want to change your name in Instagram, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application, and this is the interface that you will see. Now from here you want to tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, which will take you to your profile page just right here, and you can see our username and you can see our name as well. To change either of those, just go to the edit profile button right here. Once you go to edit profile, you can actually go ahead and then tap on the name option and add a name for yourself. So just go ahead and then basically add a name, and once you've done that, what you can do is just tap on the arrow button to basically add your name. So you can only change the name twice within 14 days, so make sure you're not using a typo mistake or other mistakes as such. You can also change the username. This is how people are usually going to find you, and usernames are unique to each account, so you cannot use a username that other account already has. And once done, you can just tap on the arrow option to save the changes as well. And that's all it takes for you to basically change name in Instagram. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.